因为气候的变迁，这北极熊找食是愈来愈困难啊。根据期刊《自然通信》发表的文章，北极熊咧找食的时，这海的热量颠倒比接入去搁较济。3礼拜内体重平均就瘦21公斤。
因气候暖化，互北极的海冰面积是缩较真济，嘛逼北极熊必须要行较真远，才会当找到伊的食物。海拔真济北极熊伫热天只好转来到陆地来找物件食，因都要开真济功夫，才会当找到食物。根据13伫自然通信期刊发表的文章指出讲，因为气候的变迁，互北极熊改变找食物的习惯，找食物的时阵消耗的热量已经比因食的搁较济。就算入去到无啥活动的半冬眠，因的体重共款是一直减。为着研究实际的状况，研究人员伫19只北极熊身躯顶放监视器，记录因伫野外生活的状况。结果发现讲，伫短短3礼拜内，北极熊的体重平均是减差不多21公斤左右，这已经等于是因7%的体重啊。
Foods, particularly that they were getting when they were on land, have pretty low caloric content. And the bears have to expend energy to obtain them.
北极熊为着要保持原本的体重，袂因为伤瘦感觉寒，因会开始伫热天食一大堆物件，而且是以脂肪量真悬的海拔做主食。不过研究人员嘛发现讲，北极熊平均要行93公里，才会当找到亲像梅果、鸡卵、海藻，甚至是순鹿角这种食物。还有一只母的北极熊，甚至是行375公里才找到食物。这种爱开长时间才找到食物的状况，对因要生产后一代是真不利。
Our concern is that once mothers with cubs lose their body condition to a certain point, they stop producing milk. And all of a sudden, at that point, the cubs now have to rely on their own fat reserves. The mother doesn't get them back out on the ice and feeding on seals shortly after she stops nursing. We've seen this in Western Hudson Bay, where the cubs actually starve to death on land.
根据研究，北极气候暖化的速度是规个地球的2倍。若北极熊生产的所在扬起，因就无所在通去。因为安尼，国际自然保护联盟已经甲北极熊列作是特别绝种的物种。除非人类有效来消透暖化的情形，无北极熊有可能伫80年后，就是西元2100年完全灭绝。公司新闻新乐杯编译。